How to fix the Bluetooth could not connect problem. So if you're trying to connect a Bluetooth device and you're getting this error message, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve the issue. So the first thing you need to do is go and open up the start menu on your computer. You can then search for settings and click on this window here. Now from the left hand side, select Windows Update, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down again and select Optional Updates. And if there's any updates available here, then make sure to go and select them like so, and then just press Download and Install to download these updates. Once you've done this, go and click on Windows Update from the left hand side, click on the Check for Updates button, and you'll also need to install any latest Windows updates as well. Now, if you have tried these steps and you still can't connect your Bluetooth device, then just go and open up your Start menu, search for Device Manager and click on this window here. Now click on the drop down arrow next to Bluetooth and you should be able to find your Bluetooth device. Go and right click on it and select Update Driver. Press Browse My Computer for drivers. Click on Let Me Pick from a list of available drivers. Go and select your Bluetooth device and then press Next. Now once you've installed these drivers, you can try reconnecting your Bluetooth device and check if that solves the issue. Now if it's still not working, the final solution is to open up your Start menu again, click on Settings. From the left hand side, select Bluetooth and Devices. Click on Devices. Now scroll down to where it says More Devices and Printer Settings. You can then go in, right click on your Bluetooth device and click on Remove Device. You'll get this pop up, make sure to press yes. You can then click on Add a Device and then just go through the steps to connect your Bluetooth device, and that should solve the issue where you're unable to connect a Bluetooth device in Windows 11.